Holy smokes, folks, for the last few hours here, I've been watching the crypto market. It's absolutely collapsing. I want to show you exactly what's going on here, essentially. So Bitcoin has broken 25. Unfortunately, that's a number that a lot of people did not want to see broken, essentially. And now a lot of people are thinking like the next real resistance is like at the 20 range. So that's unfortunate. Ethereum is flirting with going under 1,200 now. And check this out, just in a matter of like 2 minutes between this screenshot I took and then the Hungry Bull, which I went on right before that, in a matter of those 2 minutes, Ethereum then dropped from 1229 to 1208. Bitcoin dropped from 24.3 to 24.1. And that's how fast these things are dropping right now, where they're just losing another 2% like in a snap of fingers. And I'm going to show you what's going on here. It's very, very scary, and more than the price action, essentially what happened here, the email I received. Okay, so we talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB down 12%, XRP down 10.5%, Cardano down 14%, Solana down almost 19%, Dogecoin is at 5 cents now, that one down 16% plus, and it's just across the board, like everything's just getting devastated in that crypto market. So this email was sent to me actually by Graham Stephan. I want to give him a shout out for sending me this, essentially. Otherwise, I wouldn't have had this information. He sent me this a few hours ago, and I was like, oh my gosh. Like, if you want to talk about something that's going to cause massive panic for investors, that's it, man. This is the type of thing, okay? So this is the email he received, okay? Celsius, which is a crypto company. We're writing a very important message for our community. Due to the extreme market conditions, today we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfer between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations. I mean, guys, that's just devastating. That's the type of thing that causes panic. Like, this is the type of stuff that honestly helped cause the Great Depression. It really is. This type of activity where, you can't get your money out. We're pausing withdrawals, swaps, transfers between accounts. That's devastating, man. That is absolutely devastating. And that's something that's making everybody say, what about, my crypto broker, my crypto exchange I use, and these different things, right? And everybody's looking at that. Let me cover a few of the big ones that I know people actually use out there, and we'll address those, okay? Because there's a lot of these, I don't want to call them like sketchier ones, but like these ones that, I don't know if Bitcoin really was to go down, Ethereum was to really go down, do you even get your money back? Like, how does it work with some of these, okay? So let's talk about a few of the big ones that I think you guys actually use, okay? FTX US, they just raised $400 million a few months ago. So I think they're in a pretty good capital position nonetheless, okay? I think there's a good amount of people out there that use Coinbase and Robinhood. Both of those companies have cash loads to the sky. Like, Robinhood has like $6 billion of just cash sitting around. Coinbase has a disgusting fortune of cash around. So in terms of having any of those sort of issues that are going on at Celsius, at FTX US, or Coinbase or Robinhood, extremely unlikely. However, at these other sketchy ones, I don't know, man. I don't know. That problem with Celsius could be more widespread to some of the sketchier ones that don't have big money stacks around, like some of these other big guys, okay? And there's a lot of people that do use some of these other ones out there. So be very cautious out there. This is something that definitely causes panic in the market, and it could get worse before it gets better, unfortunately. But this is a developing situation, and I'll try to keep you guys up to date. I got to go to bed, though. It's like past 2 a.m., but this is crazy. I had to cover this for you guys. I hope you appreciate me covering this for you. Much love as always. Futures are tanking. I'll cover that tomorrow, and have a great night. Peace.